poker table. And DeWalt chargers. And snap line. And a Nikita. And a Ryobi, that's interesting. There's another Nikita. A lot of tools here. We got a little fogger. Or bug killer, I guess. We got some kind of electric motor to a CDs. Oh, a whole bunch of CDs. We got here. Oh, a video camera. It's an older one. It's still, older ones are still cool. Ah, what is that? Oh, those counting sticks. I have a laser rangefinder, so but those things are still cool. Still cool. Technology involved in them are just awesome. This is a poker, I thought so. Alright, here's a nice hallway light. Indian plates, those are sweet. Airplane vacuum, these are cash boxes. Nice. This is a cutlery holder. Okay. Oh, some scopes. What's this? Interesting. Ask him how much these are. Any pressure washers for sale?
Sometimes, and then
How much are they?
that's my neighbor.
Pump's no good on that. Okay.
No, the pump is no good. He sent it to have it rebuilt, and they rebuilt it. And once he came back, he found out that the pump was no good.
Ah,
So
that's terrible.
I don't know.
What's wrong with this one?
This one, I used it the last time. Sometimes when you it starts and everything, but when you kick it, it just goes. It takes a little. You gotta kick it two, 3 times to trigger, so it goes right into.
So how much are either one, each or either one of them?
This one, so this one, but
That's okay.
I mean, I don't know. About $60.
That's tempting. And what about that one?
That one, he's got about $114 in it. I don't know, $80 probably. At least we get some out of for him.
All right. All right. Well, you know what? We're driving around, but you know we may just stop back. So
All right.
it's good to know. So we just got to hit 2 more sales, and we'll be back.
You got anything tennis, rackets or so?
No.
Oh, look at these.
Bicycles for sale?
Buckles. Interesting.
Computers?
Computers? No, just that printer. That's all.
Oh, this is nice. This little filter. I know. I saw that. That is totally awesome. I don't know. I have no use for it, but it's totally awesome. I'm just interested in it. Yeah, I gotta think why. I saw that bugger, that fogger. Spackling paste. Oh wow. I need no, that's not a torch. That's a you put like bug spray in there. It heats it up and it fogs. So like if you have to fog your lawn, your attic.
Isn't that a flamethrower?
No. We got a cactus. We got a bear mailbox. How about that? That's sweet. That is awesome. Oh look, They carved the tree, and there's like an eagle and 2 bears. That's totally awesome. Wow. Alex, did you see this tree here?
Yeah, I seen it.
Wow. There's a bear, and he's looking at the eagle. Picnic basket. Motorcycle helmet. Bicycle helmet. Propane stove. Adapter. Pneumatic hammer. Speakers. Ice maker. That is nice. Shoes. Extension cords. Any lawnmowers for sale?
No lawnmowers for sale.
Okay. Oh, any bicycles for sale?
No bicycle.
That's okay. Okay.
Just act, like anything you like.
You got nice stuff. I love it. Just none on my hit list. I wish my daughter was 10 years younger. Boy, she would love these. I love the tree.
Yeah.
And I love your mailbox too.
Thanks, man.
That's awesome.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it painted up, man. I got a picture of it when I first had it painted up and everything. It was
I love your wildlife theme though.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
That is sweet.
Yeah.
Take a look at that tree again. Wow.
I even incorporated the address into it. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah. It's been a process, man.
Little lighthouses there. Lighthouses. Oh wow.
That's for when camping. When you pull out the awning, you could slide these things on the camping and then hang your lights.
Oh, I see.
You see?
Nice.
This is all my camping stuff because I had an RV. So that's all that's left of it, man.
Yeah, we're looking for RVs for sale too. Do you have any?
Yeah. I am looking for one too, man.
You're looking for one?
Yeah.
We have one. I don't know if it's the kind you're looking for. Nice table. I know, he's a cutie. There's a cat. He's hunting. He's on the prowl. He's a cutie. Hi, cutie. That's a bed frame. And
All right, girl.
It's a whole set for cleaning cars.
oh wow.
Come on, Sophie, let's go home.
But I have enough of this.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, pretty good. Any lawnmowers for sale?
I do not have, clearly, if you can see my grass, I do not have a lawnmower.
Mine just blew. I was mowing my lawn yesterday. I must have had some low oil or something. I don't know, but I backed it up and I didn't run over a root or a stone, anything. It just exploded on me. And I'm like,
That's terrible.
yeah, it's the gasket, the oil gasket inside the engine because smoke was coming out of the oil.
You bet. Making whatever offer you offer is going to be fine. I'm literally moving. I've moved. I got to get all this stuff away, so.
You selling anything over here?
Yeah?
Okay.
That I think goes for a dog.
Oh. Did you happen to have any like hot water heaters?
I do not. No.
Okay, that's okay.
Just so you didn't have one of those go yesterday, too.
No, I'd really be pissed off.
Yeah. There is some weird things in the corner there that I do craft work. I might box up some of it, but I am,
Okay. Oh, I love seashells.
Well, I have 2 huge tubs of seashells here.
That's like going back 25 years, 30 years. I used to do that crafts too.
Yeah.
I loved it. And I just got out of it.
Well, I have most of the things that I've taken so far. There are some big items in the house if you need a china cabinet, a dining room table and chairs, a TV stand.
Okay. Yeah, I love your stuff here. It's awesome.
Thank you. This is the 3rd day, so I'm pretty cleaned out.
Yeah.
This is actually one thing that I need from that box, but it's nice to have it in the box.
Yeah.
$2.
It's all yours.
I see you have an iPhone 4 box.
Well, it's got bolts in it.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask you. Do you have any cell phones for sale?
Oh no, I don't.
Okay. Alright. 2 chairs. Nice. Nice chairs. No stain on it, but a little OxyClean. A little wear, but you know, it's the cushion that matters. It's healthy. It's nice. Little hanging communion sign. That's nice. What do we got? Oh, I see a piggy bank. I see a piggy bank. Ooh, there's nothing in it though. You got some software in there. You got a dispenser. Ooh, a little baseball game. I love these things. All right. Nice. What's this? Ooh, one of those little sponge aircraft. Got some really nice stuff in here. Got some Christmas stuff. Some plants. Halloween. Yourself a little travel thing. What's this? Oh, buckle up.
He took everything off of it.
Yeah.
It works, but
It's the round one. It's the round.
It's an iMac.
It's a desktop, but it's the round, and it's got that silver bar, and the round thing when they first came out, where the hard drive's within the whole bubble,
Yeah.
so it doesn't have the desk.
And
The screen is up here.
Right, and it's like purple or blue, or they were different colors. There was a white one, a blue one, a
Mine
turquoise.
was white.
Yeah, they came out like in the early
It's
90s.
very old, yeah.
Yeah,
But,
so that's.
I want $25 for it. It works, okay.
Incredible
So I don't
stud
know
setting
what your
machine.
plan
No, it's not
is.
gonna be
Oh, wow.
powerful enough for what I'm looking for. Sorry. I'm
You
looking
what?
for.
So
I'm
that's
looking for older ones, but
put
like
studs
more
in
of
clothing.
the desktops. They
Yes.
were like silver, like that big power.
Oh, no.
Yeah, those are the
Oh, this is one of those glass shattering
Yeah, I got
devices. So if
rid of
you're
mine. I
stuck
had
underwater
$2
in your car,
sales ago.
shatter your
I've
window.
been using
Also,
Macs since
they-
day one.
Yeah, me too.
It's
Pro,
Christmas.
also the MacBook Pros I'm looking for.
It's not a window.
MacBook Pros, the laptop.
That's mine. That's what I have.
Oh, okay.
I do graphics. I use my Mac Pro. I haven't updated it in 7 years.
Well,
but
Mac
if I
Pro-
update it, then I gotta buy all the new Adobe software.
Mac Pro is the tower. MacBook Pro is the
Mine's the Mac. Mine's the laptop. The MacBook.
Oh.
Yeah. He's got a book.
I got a book.
Got a book, Mom.
Some
What do you want
books.
for that book?
More clothes.
Oh.
Some adult fittings.